What's going on, Bully World? It's your boy Prince Jedi Man over here at Greco Bully Camp. Got these 5 little males available. They are off of Mars, bred to Toad. They're abkc registered. Let them go. Trying to co-own these males. They are available $500 a piece. Located in Kentucky. Go ahead and text me at 270-317-1952. These is the 5 little males. They are 8 weeks old. Super happy. Got all kind of different crops. Got short crop, show crop. Greco Bully Camp. Signing off.